Welcome to e-Semplice Hub, where music theory is simplified. This is grade 3 music theory analysis. In this video, 2 extracts of music are given for you to answer different questions on it. We shall consider examination analysis questions from ABRSM exam 2018A and Muson exam May 2016. Look at this melody and then answer the questions below. The first question, the melody is in the key of B minor. Name the degree of the scale, e.g. second, third, of the first note of the melody. What is the degree of the scale of the first note of this melody? The first note is F sharp. Now, what degree of B minor scale is F sharp? Fifth degree. F sharp is the 5th degree of B minor scale, where you go B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. Which other key has the same key signature as B minor? Invariably, this question is asking for the relative major of B minor. So invariably, what is the relative major of B minor? And the answer is D major. D major. Answer true or false to these statements. Every complete bar in this melody contains at least one note of the tonic triad of B minor. True or false? Now let's look at all the complete bars. This is the scale of B minor. These are the degrees of the scale, and as you can see, F sharp is the 5th degree. Now we are looking for the triad here, the tonic triad. And remember, the tonic triad is built on the tonic, the 1st degree of the scale. But since this is a minor key, you need to raise the 7th note. If you raise the 7th note, which is A, it becomes A sharp. Now let's build our tonic triad. 1st degree, 3rd degree, 5th degree. Let's go back to the music now and check each complete bar if we have at least one of these notes, that is either B or D or F sharp, or 2 of it. Now, bar 1, we have B there. We also have D. Now, we have another B in bar 1. Now, let's look at bar 2. We have a D in bar 2. Bar 3 we have F sharp, D, B. Bar 4 we have F sharp. Bar 5 we have D, F sharp, and B. Bar 6 we have B. Bar 7 we have D, another D, then a B. Now these are the complete bars in this music, and as you can see, it contains at least one note of the tonic triad. So our answer to this question is true. Answer true or false to this statement. 3/8 is a compound time signature. True or false? False. 3/8 is not a compound time signature. Rather, it is a simple time signature. Give the number of the bar that contains the loudest note in the melody. Which bar contains the loudest note in this melody? Scan through the melody and fish out that bar with the highest, that is with the loudest note. The answer is bar 3. If you look at bar 3, this is the note. This is the loudest note in this melody. The first note in bar 3. Now we'll be looking at Mozon exam May 2016, the analysis question in that exam. Study this short extract from one of Beethoven's sonatas and answer the questions that follow. Name the key of this extract. Name the key of this extract. That is, what is the key of this extract? From the key signature accidentals, the suspected keys are B flat major or its relative minor, G minor. But how do we know which of these? Is this extract B flat in B flat major, or is it G minor? How do we establish this? This is the way to go. Write out, always approach it from the minor angle to find your answer easily. Write out the scale of G minor, add the degrees of the scale. Because it is a minor key, the seventh note has to be raised, and if you raise that, you'll be having F sharp. This is the 7th note in the scale of G minor, F sharp. Now go to the extract and look through. If you find F sharp, either in the treble stave or in the bass stave, it means this music is G minor. But if you cannot cite any F sharp in the music, it means the music is in B flat major. Now, looking through this music, there are a lot of F sharp. In the right hand music, there's F sharp in bar 1. Left hand music, there's F sharp in bar 2. Right hand music, there's F sharp in bar 3. Bar 5, right hand music, there's F sharp. Bar 6, left hand music, there's F sharp. Bar 8, right hand music, there's F sharp. And bar 9, right hand music, there's F sharp. Then part of bar 10, left hand music, there is F sharp. So all these F sharp is pointing to the fact that this key is not a major key, it's not B flat major but G minor. So our answer here is G minor. That is how to establish what key a music is in. Give the value name of the shortest note in the extract, e.g., minim, quiver, etc. What is the value name of the shortest note in this extract? Look through, scan through the extract. And the answer is demi-semi-quiver, and that is in bar 8. Look at bar 8. Write and give the name of the shortest notes. The shortest notes are in bar 8. So give the name of one of it. In bar 8 we have A or G. The first shortest note is A and the second is G. Give the performance meaning of MFP. What's the meaning of MFP? You can see that in bar 2, bar 4, and bar 10. What's the meaning of MFP? Here is the answer. Moderately loud, then soft immediately. That's the meaning. At what speed should this music be performed? At what speed should this music be performed? Now, an indicator to the answer is actually at the beginning of the music. And as you can see, we have andante. Crochet equals to 72. Andante means at a moderate speed. And the metronome mark shows that where you have a crochet equals to 72, that's 72 crochets per minute. So that is actually at a moderate speed. So our answer is at a moderate speed. What is similar between bars 1 and 2, 3 and 4? What is the similarity between bars 1 and 2, 3 and 4? The answer is rhythm. The rhythm of bars 1 and 2 is the same as the rhythm in bar 3 and 4. what is different. That is, what is the difference between bars 1 and 2, 3 and 4? Dynamics. Dynamics has to do with how loud or how soft the music is, the volume is. And now looking at bars 1 and 2, bar 1 is soft, bar 2 is moderately loud, then immediately soft, while bar 3 is moderately loud, then bar 4 is moderately loud, then immediately soft. So the difference is actually in bars 1, which is soft, bar 3, which is moderately loud. So dynamics is one of the differences. And then we also have pitch. Looking at the pitch, what you can say the pitch in bar 1 and bar 3 are exactly the same, but the pitches in bars 2 and 4 are different in the right hand music, but in the left hand music the pitches are completely different. How would you describe the time signature? Is it simple duple, simple triple, or simple quadruple? Or is it compound duple, compound triple, or compound quadruple? Now look at the time signature at the beginning there. It's a 2/4 time. So how would you describe this? The answer is simple duple. What do you call the curved line in bar 5 joining F sharp and G? Bar 5 joining F, that is F sharp and G. What is that curved line called? The answer is slow. A curved line joining two different pitches is a slow, but a curved line joining the same pitches is a tie. So this is a slow because it's joining F sharp and G, and those two pitches are different. How many times does the right hand music of bar 1 appear in the whole passage? And name the bars. Right hand music means music written on the treble clef, while left hand music is music written on the bass clef. So in the right hand music, how many times does bar 1 appear in the whole passage? What this question is asking is not the rhythm of bar 1 music. Rather, it's talking about the music itself, that is the notes. Our answer is 3 times. That music in bar 1 in the right hand music appears 3 times in this passage. And let's look at bar 1. This is the music where you have B flat, G, F sharp, and G. Now, which other bar has the same music? Bar 3. As you can see, bar 3 has B flat, G, F sharp, and G. Which other bar? Bar 9. You still have B flat, G, F sharp, and G. So it appears in this passage 3 times. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to e-Semplice YouTube channel.